Imagine watching a video that feels smooth, clear, and stable, no weird warping, no frame jumps, and no distracting flickers. That's the difference you notice when Framepack is used instead of YN 2.1. Framepack is a newer method for understanding videos, and it does something really smart. Instead of treating each frame like a separate moment, it lines them up in a way that keeps everything steady. Think of it like laying photos side by side in a neat album. Nothing gets bent or stretched, and the story stays easy to follow. YN 2.1, on the other hand, tries to look at different parts of the video in windows, like peeking through tiny openings. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it causes odd motion or misses how things flow from one frame to the next. That can lead to visuals that feel jumpy or unnatural. Framepack avoids all that by keeping the video frames packed and steady, which means better quality and less visual noise. It also runs faster and uses fewer resources, making it great for real-world use, whether it's powering smart cameras, analyzing sports, or creating smooth clips for social media. So, if you want your videos to look clean, stable, and natural, Framepack just makes more sense. It's like watching a movie with a steady hand on the camera. Everything flows the way it should. I'm currently waiting for a native implementation in Comfy UI. Let me know in the comments if I should do a tutorial on this.